Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ranjit Ravula. Today we are taking a trip down memory lane, unboxing my journey to a 4 million recruiting venture. Let's dive in. Having graduated in accounting, my initial venture into the limo service industry was unsuccessful. However, I then switched gears to a recruiting business. Not only did this new venture replace my income, but it also generated a remarkable 4 million venture in just 3 years. Moreover, it opened up opportunities for others as well. Securing my first client was rough, but with persistence and passion, I finally landed my first contract, which gave me the confidence to boost I needed. Surely the road was tough between strong competition and economic downturns. It was challenging journey, yes. Yet it was during these hardships that the brand and the network were slowly but surely built. But every setback was a setup for a comeback. We focused on providing an exceptional experience for our clients and candidates that made all the difference. The big break, we worked hard to build and maintain relationship with the clients and candidates. This led to more successful placements and helped us to reach revenue milestones of $4 million. And that's a sneak peek into my journey to a 4 million recruiting venture. Remember, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that count. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this inspiring, you know what to do. Remember, recruiting dreams, building realities. We are all in this together. See you in the next one.